Hey Gems, it's your girl Stylist Raven here, and today I'm bringing you a makeup review on a product from Milk Cosmetics. I actually got this product courtesy of Influenster. Well, I was really actually excited about it. I think when I googled it to see how much it cost, I think it was somewhere like between 30 something dollars. I want to say it was about $34. But like I said, I got it through Influenster. So it came in this packaging, which was absolutely bomb. And it's blur set smooth, and it's a matte loose setting powder. This is the inside of the packaging. Everything here. Of course, this is the paper. Of course, I've taken it out because, like I said, I have it on today. So I'm gonna actually tell you guys what I think about this, and I'm gonna try not to take up too much time. If you guys want to see like what ingredients are in it and everything like that, just let me know. I'll do a more detailed review. But in the meantime, it just says blur plus set matte loose setting powder, unifier plus fixer. And this is how it looks. This is actually the box that it came in, which I thought was very, you know, classic chic. It's just kind of white with like a gray print all over the box. This is the translucent deep. Translucent deep. That is the color of what I have on. And here is everything that they sent in there. It says, welcome to the Milk Fam. You're one of the first to try our new blur plus set matte loose setting powder. Tell us what you think. Blur, set, go. It says that it blurs. Well, it's a talc-free, silicone-free, translucent loose setting powder that blurs pores, sets makeup, and cuts the shine but not the glow. So it blurs because it has powdered field blurring, microspheres, blurred pores, and cut the shine instantly for a soft focus effect. Sets lightweight powder locks in makeup all day without adding heavy cakiness. The talc-free, silicone-free formula doesn't leave a chalky cast or cause flashback. It says that it smooths because it has avocado powder and hyaluronic acid combined for smooth skin that allows powder to lay without settling into fine lines. And basically, you're supposed to bounce the sponge or brush into the mesh opening to pick up your powder, dab off the excess, then lightly dust it all over your face as a final step to set your makeup. The sponge is infused with antibacterial charcoal to help keep it clean. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, talc-free, silicone-free, and something dimethicone-free. I don't know, but it's got a bunch of free stuff in it. Okay, so y'all, it's been a while, I know. So anyway, so this is what the container looks like. I feel like you get a good amount of stuff in there for it to be translucent deep. I was actually surprised. So here goes the charcoal sponge that it was talking about, that it helps to stay clean. I did not actually use the sponge today. I just used my beauty blender, but I guess I should have. I love how it opens up with this top here. As you guys can see, I did use it. Blur, set, go. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove. Let's see if it's gonna. Oh, when you pull that back, this sticker is just set to another thing there. I'm gonna leave my sticker there because I think it's cute. And then you have this mesh. Oh my God, it's so soft, right? But when you press down, you get powder. So I'll go ahead and show you guys again. So it picks up powder, and then you just basically set whatever you have to do. If you want more than that, I'm trying not to put too much because I've already set my face and it will look cakey now. But I don't never set or bake for long periods of time anyway. So I don't know. My thoughts on this, when I first opened it, I thought it was going to be fairly light. It kind of was giving me like a gray cast to my skin. So I was like, maybe it's not deep enough. But then when I changed the lighting into where I was doing my makeup, it was actually perfect. So I actually like it. It was very smooth, very finely milled. I really liked it. It did not seem to get, it wasn't heavy to where it was getting caught up in creases in my face or fine lines, which I have a lot of fine lines because I smile a lot, I laugh a lot, and I have 4 dimples. Fun fact. So I would say this is a go. I really liked it, and I'm not saying that just because Influenster sent it to me, because it took me, I've had this about at least a week, and I was just like, I don't know, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I really kind of like that one. But if I have to be honest, I think I like this one more, just because even though the Laura Mercier is not heavy, it's not, you know, everything like that, I just feel like this one, I don't know, it just made me feel more smooth. Even though I felt matte, I felt smooth, like my skin felt kind of like silky. So I really liked that, because I like anything that looks natural when it's finished and doesn't look caked on. I don't really like to wear, I love makeup, but I don't like to wear a lot of heavy makeup, and I definitely don't need full coverage, and a lot of people run out and get full coverage. But this right here, it is buildable, and it can give you full coverage just as well. So I really like it. Like I said, this is the translucent deep. It lasts for 24 months is its shelf life, which that's very important because a lot of people don't know. So that's about 2 years. And this is from Milk Cosmetics. This is my first anything from Milk Cosmetics. So this product alone made me want to go to their website and check out everything else that they had. So I'll definitely be bringing you guys more. If you want to see more from this Milk Cosmetics product line, y'all let me know, and I'll go and invest in my own coin and get it and show it to y'all. But in the meantime, if you're looking for a very good lightweight translucent powder that really does hold up, that sets, that's not giving you flashback in your pictures and your videos and all of that, y'all know how y'all know, y'all remember the whole West Coast East Coast thing. You don't want somebody dancing all up in your photos, all up in your videos and stuff, then go get this. I would definitely cop it. I liked it, and I'll be using this one. You know, I'll be playing between the two, but I think I'll be more so leaning on this one. So anyways, y'all, thumbs up this video. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this translucent powder. If you haven't, if you're curious about it, if you have another shade, let me know how that works on you. If you have oily skin, dry skin, whatever, let me know how it works for you, because I want to know, because I actually like this. And if y'all have some of their other cosmetic products in their line, let me know that too. That way I can check out your video as well and know, you know, what's going for me and what's not. Pretty much. All right. Mwah. Love y'all. Bye.